Good morning, everyone. I got something from official Samsung store. Let's open it. What is it? What's inside? Oh, very nice packaging on the inside. Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in blue. We've got 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clean voice calls, and QI wireless charging. Let's open this beautiful set. Bam! Oh wow! Look at it. There's something inside. This is the manual, which no one's read, so we don't care. Look at the presentation. Presentation is awesome. Unfortunately, this cable is not blue, it's white. It will be awesome, it will be blue. This is USB Type-C cable. A few blue tips and wings, and of course a buds itself. Let me take the plastic. I'll just slide out. Slide out is the better idea. There it is. I was hoping for a little lighter blue. This is a pretty hard blue. Not super hard, but hard. Well, comparing to the... Now this is the white, this is the blue. Well, my friend. How do I look? I think the whole design is awesome and it looks professional. Of course, there is a Galaxy Buds app on the iPhone. There they are. Let me connect those. Okay. And some messages. Okay, we understand. It looks a bit different than on the Samsung phone, but it is working a little bit different. Let's test the range. You see me up there? It was still working perfect. I cannot go any further because we are in the city and Galaxy S10 Plus is a bit expensive, you understand. Great for running, no disconnections, they stay in the air. Sounds lovely. What's the difference? Well, instead of one speaker, new one has two speakers and the sound quality is a bit brighter. But those are new and in time they will change a little bit. And yeah. Wow, they look fantastic. Let's play some music. Oh. We dance.